Dancehall recording artist Beenieman has found new love and he has took to social media for the world to see. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. So after the breakup between veteran dancehall artist Beenieman and a popular media personality Crystal Tomlin, many people have been wondering about the relationship status of the doctor, since it is a big talk among his fans that the entertainer had always had to have a woman. So the speculation about the DJ's relationship status peaked in November after this year when he was spotted with British actress and model Alexia in somewhat a compromising position that had fans guessing if she was actually the new love. So that led to a spur of speculation online after this picture surfaced online with the Dr. Beanie Man and this 28-year-old female, after Beanie Man was actually compared to be 48 years old, which means that this girl would be actually too young for the entertainer. But with that said, the doctor and this other female now has shut down all those rumors that people have been wondering and thinking about after this video made rounds on social media. So it seemed as if the two have either called it a day and the romantic relationship has started to kindle after the romantic outing between the two happened because it was Camilla's birthday, and it is there for us to all see as proof that the doctor was actually in love after the two surfaced in a video of their relationship when the doctor was seen kissing this new female. So with the brand new relationship for the doctor, many people are just hoping for the best, but there have been many speculation going on out there online as well as it relates to this female, and many people have been stating that this was allegedly a former lover of the rival entertainer between Beenie Man, and that would have been Bounty Killer. But we cannot confirm that or deny that at this time. It's just a good look for the Dr. Beenie Man to actually find love once more. As you know, Beenie Man has always been out there in the media spotlight, and Beenie Man has dated a number of female in the entertainment scene, starting off first with Carlene, then you have the Angel, and then forward to recent time you have Crystal Toblin, and now this other female, Camilla, who is actually Beenie Man's newfound love. But it's a good look for the Dr. Beenie Man, and we just want to wish him all the best. And hopefully that this relationship does last. Because as you know, it seems as if the doctor doesn't really have luck with female. Because once he gets in the relationship, it seems as if there's always some issues. And then once you give it some time, the doctor is a single man once more and searching for love again. But the fans right now are very shocked and surprised as it relates to this recent development, as many people are actually wondering whether Beenie Man was actually single as well. But many people have been stating that he should not have came out on social media in the way he did, after many people have stated that he did not do this with his former lover, Crystal Tomlin. And as you know, Beenie Man had a child with that female as well. But it's a good look for the two, and we're just wishing them all the best in their relationship, and that Beenie Man will just continue to just be the entertainer that he is, and just continue to keep his fans happy right across the world. But it's a good look, and we are very happy for the entertainer. But many people don't really like what they're seeing at this current time, as many people are wondering why Beenie Man and Crystal had to call it quits, as they did not really come to social media in order to let their fans know what really led to the breakup between the two. But we're about now to share some videos with you of the romantic moment that Beenie Man had with his newfound love, and we're gonna leave you with that clip to come right now on Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So thanks for watching, peace out, and much respect goes out to you, the viewers, for always continuing to support the movement of Links 007 TV.
No, it's yes, it's bad, it's fearful. This, it's bad.
Yeah.
But it's fruit,
That's
it's
coffee
the
cake.
fruit.
Coffee and
What?
chocolate.
So, hold on now.
I'm dead now.
Yeah, but
Where's my phone? Hold on, please. What's that? Oh, yeah, I kept saying.
yeah.
So I'm thinking about her, she love turn her side.
We have to.
But I'm turning to him. Oh, no, I get it. Me just eat feet. Mix.
How do you say it?
I don't know if I like the
You
mix.
fuck up
It's
the
sour and coffee. Like
Yeah,
coffee.
so you have to tell me how to take.
You kind of taste. Don't worry about the taste, just eat. It's
And
drink.
That one here, yeah, that one here, that one here, nice.
What?
That one here.
I'm not ready for that yet.
Oh, this is what? Raspberry.
Yeah.
Okay, go on, baby. Don't let it fall.
Come sharp for this.
That's better.
Yeah.
That one is better than the yeah. Thank you.
This is just so nice. This one tastes.
Yes, sis. Somebody for me, girl, yeah.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Good girl. This is good treatment. Yes. Talk about. Yes, brother.
Recognize
Yeah. Good treatment.
Thank you. Yeah, yeah,
Ready for this. Cheers, Ben John Table. I'm not like this. Be able. Something that I'm here.
Ching ching.
It's a birthday, dog.
Sorbet, mango, and guava, and some fruits.
Oh, this are the night. Oh, them dead.
Oh, wow.
You video this, Nicky?
Come, video that now.
Them dead.
Whoa.
Can I put? Can I put?
But I should put my phone on.
Yes. Be a man of Jimmy. Yes.
You're gonna capture it. I'm not taking it off. I can't go any further. You see? I'll have to take pictures.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear come here. Happy birthday to you. Like,